Hello everyone. We'll see how to insert a download Excel button in our website using C Sharp. This is the view. We need to add this code in our view. We are adding the button to call the download Excel function. So we have the function my function. It will send the request to Excel action in dashboard controller. It will send the request to the controller. So we are using Ajax here. This action we need to perform under the controller. We need to add this action in the controller. We are If your data is a key value pair, then you need to convert to the data table type. If your data is already a data table, then don't need to use this code. I'm using Dapper here to get the data from the database.